Right, I've had my first incident. I've had the car, what, 2 months now, and I had a car overtake me a couple of days ago and took me wind mirror off. Fortunately, it wasn't the whole mirror, it was just a casing, and it's basically split, can't be fixed. So I've managed to source one on eBay, which I've got here. I've paid £42 for it. I don't think it's OEM. It looks like it's a Chinese import, looking at the writing inside there. So I think it's a Chinese import, but the actual colour match is good. However, I've got to do a bit of polishing on the case, because where they've put the writing on the outside for the product, it's gone through on there, and it's not coming off. So I need to get that polished off. So once I've got that polished off, I'm going to have a go at fitting it. So wish me luck. This was the resulting damage. The case popped off when the other vehicle hit it, and as it's hit the road, it's split and damaged the casing. But I popped it back on for now, and now I'm going to have a go at changing it over. Off. So. There's the new one. Hopefully, although it's not OEM, it will clip in. Okay, the case was on. A little bit fiddly getting it off. Probably would have been easier with some trim tools, but as you can see, it's a good fit. It clipped on very well, and if I offer up the original one, the paint match looks pretty much identical. So overall, for £42, very happy with that.